Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to stay happy in life. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to stay happy in life. Staying happy in life is a subjective and personal journey, as different things bring joy to different individuals. However, there are several general principles and practices that can be contribute to overall happiness. Here are some suggestions. Number 1. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with supportive, loving, and positive people who uplift you. Nurture your relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. Engage in meaningful connections that bring joy and fulfillment to your life. Number 2, practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Appreciating the positive aspects of your life can help shift your focus away from negativity and increase feelings of contentment and happiness. Number 3, take care of yourself. Prioritize self-care and make your physical, mental, and emotional well-being a priority. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and engage in regular exercise. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as hobbies, mindfulness, and spending time in nature. Number 4, set meaningful goals. Having a sense of purpose in working towards a meaningful goals can bring a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Identify your passions, aspirations, and values and set realistic and achievable goals that align with them. Celebrate your progress along the way. Number 5, practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Cultivate awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can help you stay present and reduce stress. Regular self-reflection can also help you identify areas of your life that may need adjustment or improvement. Number 6, engage in act of kindness. Helping others and showing compassion can contribute to your own happiness. Perform random acts of kindness, volunteer for a cause you care about, or simply offer support and assistance to those around you. Acts of kindness not only benefit others but also boost your own well-being. Number 7, manage stress effectively. Develop healthy coping mechanisms for managing stress. Find activities that help you relax and unwind, such as listening to music, reading, or practicing a hobby. Learn stress management techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation to help you stay calm and centered. Number 8, embrace a positive mindset. Foster a positive outlook on life and practice reframing negative thoughts into more positive, empowering ones. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Surround yourself with positivity by engaging activities or consuming content that inspires and uplifts you. Number 9, seek personal growth. Continuously seek opportunities for personal growth and learning. Set aside time for self-improvement, whether through reading, taking courses, or developing new skills. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and see failures as learning experiences. Number 10, uh, live in alignment with your values. Identify your core values and live in accordance with them. When your actions and choices align with your values, you experience a greater sense of authenticity and fulfillment. Remember that happiness is a journey and it's normal to experience ups and downs. Embrace the process, be kind to yourself, and practice self-compassion along the way. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on how to stay happy in life. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.